Hey everyone, Ashley here, and this is the look I'm going to be creating today. Let me know how you like today's video. I tried filming a couple different angles, so I hope that's helpful. But first we're going to start with this fluffy brush and this orangey brown, and I'm applying that into the outer third of my eyelid, and then bringing it above the crease towards the front of the eye, and then creating a sideways V-shape or triangle in the outer corner, following the upward slope of my lower lash line. So I'm just bringing that in towards the inner corner above my crease and then blending up towards the brow bone. Not too high, we want a little bit of our brow bone to show through. About halfway, like this. Then I'm using a flat brush to apply a little bit of that orangey brown to my lower lash line and then connecting it to the V shape in the outer corner. Next, with this pencil brush, I'm dipping into a darker brown, add depth, and I'm applying that tighter into the crease area in an arch shape following the natural curve of my eye crease, and then creating a V shape in the outer corner at the upward slope of my lower lash line. Next, I'm using little swiping and circular motions to blend into the orangey shade, bringing it onto the lower lash line a little bit, sweeping it inwards. Don't want to bring it in too far. We're just making sure everything's blended. With this flat brush and a reddish color, I'm applying that all over the lid, using little sweeping motions, slowly building up the color. Sweeping it all over and then up into the crease a little bit to blend into that darker brown. All the way in towards the inner corner. Again, with this flat brush, I'm going in with the champagne color in the inner corner and just feathering the edges to have it blended out. With this flat brush from the craft store, I'm applying this dark brown on the lash line. I'm bringing it in towards the outer corner in the center of that V shape, almost as if we were drawing on a wing, but I'm just drawing like the top edge, and then I'm making this line thinner towards the inner corner. Just slowly packing on the color. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's kind of be smoky towards the end. And then I'm using that pencil brush and then blending it into the crease in a V shape, and then filling in that blank space on the bottom of that V shape, just to add depth to the outer corner. Blending into that V shape, and then using that fluffy brush to just clean everything up and blend out the edges so there's no harsh lines. I'm using that flat brush again to draw an inner corner wing with that dark brown on the inner corner. I'm using a nude shade on the waterline. Going in with some mascara and false lashes. I've linked all the exact product details of everything down below. I'm next applying some blush to my cheekbones and then sweeping that up towards my temples. Just blending out the edges. I'm next using the contour shade and applying that on my cheekbones, blending into the blush, and then bringing a little bit of the bronzer onto my forehead, blending a little bit of bronzer onto the cheeks as well, adding a highlighter to my cheekbones, some lip liner, some lip gloss. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. I've linked everything I used down below. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is the final look. I'd love if you could subscribe down below and tap the like button if you did enjoy the look, and tap the notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time I post, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.